and what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 healthy smoothies. So let's get started. For my fruits, I'm going to be using pineapple. So I've cut my pineapple in chunks, bananas, and passion fruit. That is a very nice way of starting your day. In my blender, I'm going to be adding my pineapple, bananas, so I'm using 2 bananas, passion fruit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scoop out the seeds. So I'm using 2 passion fruits. Add some water to help you blend, just a little, and blend. Okay. Add to your glass. Look how creamy my smoothie is. Wow. Then I'm going to top it off with some more passion fruit. For my second smoothie, I'm going to be using pepino and mango. And for those who are wondering what pepino is this fruit. I think you've come across this fruit while shopping for your groceries. It's called Pepino Melon. So you can buy it at your local supermarket or in the marketplace. So first off, I'm going to add my mangoes in my blender. So I've used 2 mangoes, which I've peeled and cubed them. So also, if you're wondering how to prepare these fruits, first of all, you're going to peel it. So this fruit is found in South America. So now I'm going to cut my fruit in half. As you can see, it has seeds on the inside. I'm going to scoop out the seeds. Just scoop out. Don't use too much force also. Then I'm going to chop it up so that I can add it in my blender. So this fruit has a lot of benefits. First of all, it reduces blood pressure. If you have blood pressure, this is the fruit. It also boosts metabolism, and also it has a lot of benefits to your body, so it's very good for you. Also, I'm going to add some milk to help us blend. My juice is ready. So now I'm going to add it in my blender. Look at how gorgeous my smoothie is looking, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you try out this smoothie and stay healthy. So I also hope to catch you on my next episode. Ciao!